Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Robinhood account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your bank account to your Robinhood? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your bank account to Robinhood anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're buying and selling stocks with Robinhood, you do have to have a funding source, also a bank account to send your withdrawal funds to. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Robinhood dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Robinhood, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your bank account, here on the top right, you're going to click on Account. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Transfer. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this menu, and you will look down to the section called Linked Accounts, and you want to click on the green Add New Account. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two options. So the top one is to link your debit card, but you can see it's limited by 10,000 daily. But today we're going to go ahead and link a bank account. So click on this line. Okay, once you do that, Robinhood's going to let you know they use a company called Plaid to link your bank account to Robinhood. They're basically like a third-party provider. So read through this. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on Continue. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose your bank list. So I bank with Chase, so I'm going to click on here. Okay, next they let you know you need to log into Chase in order to connect it to Robinhood. So click here on Continue to Log. Okay, next Chase opens up the browser, and you need to log in with your username and password to Chase or whatever bank that you bank with. The process is going to be similar depending on which bank you bank with. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account now. Okay, next Chase lets you know that you're about to link your account to Plaid, which then is going to share the information with Robinhood. If you're okay with that, click on this blue Next button here at the bottom. Okay, next your bank's going to let you know what information they're going to share with Robinhood. So read through this, and if you're okay with that, click on Next. Okay, now if you have more than one bank account with that provider, you can choose to share all the information, or for me, I'm just going to share my checking information. Okay, once you've chosen, click on the blue Next button. Okay, once again, your bank is going to confirm the information they are going to share with Robinhood. If you're okay with that, click on this blue Link My Account button. Okay, next Plaid opens up this pop-up, and they want you to confirm the information that you're going to share from your bank account to Robinhood. So read through that, and if you're okay with that, click on Allow. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. You'll see this pop-up saying your account is linked. Also, if you look under here, under linked accounts, you should be able to see your bank account that's now linked with your Robinhood. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your bank account to your Robinhood account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.